Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how the cash out process works in the Cryptomania Trading Simulator and what you really need to know about money withdrawals in 2025. First thing first, Cryptomania is a virtual trading simulator. You can trade crypto complete challenges and earn in-game money. But here's the key thing. You can't withdraw the real money. Everything you earn from trading, profits to prizes from the Wheel of Fortune stays within the game. You can use your virtual wealth to buy length, decorate your profile, or compete in weekly tournaments. So, if you are wondering how to withdraw from Cryptomania, the answer is simple. You can't. It's a game made for fun, learning, and testing your trading skills, not for making real cash. So, if you see anyone saying that you can withdraw from Cryptomania, don't trust it. It may be a scam. That said, Cryptomania is still one of the best ways to practice crypto trading without any financial risk. And with features like challenges, auctions, and leaderboard rankings, here's always something to keep you hooked. If you are here to learn and grow as a trader in a gamified way, Cryptomania delivers. Just remember, it's not a money making app, but a simulator with some seriously cool features. I hope this video helped you. If it helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.